For wet on wet, you're going to start by painting the surface with water again. Just to kind of make an area where you want your paint to go. And I'm going to use orange and red for this. I'm going to start with orange, and I'm going to take it from the well and pull it to the lid so I can control the water content. Then once I have a good sense of how much water is in there, I'm going to do a drop method, which is where you take your paintbrush, it's full, mine is full of orange paint right now, and you're just going to tap into the water. What should happen is it should start dispersing throughout the water, and it will become lighter, so you could add like more pigment if you want to make it brighter. But what this does is it kind of does this like kind of spreading out thing. It's a really good thing to do at the beginning of a painting, because then at the end you can, like when you're kind of done with the watercolor, you can go back in and use drawing techniques to go over it with, you know, Sharpie or with a pen, or even you can do like more liner painting with like a really small detail brush. And this is how, you know, you probably have seen some artists get that really blended wet look of some paintings you may have seen. So now I'm going to use red. I'm going to do the same thing, and I'm going to drop that in to kind of blend colors together. And when I do a painting, I use this wet technique to kind of give a more natural flow to things, rather than like you can see where I like deliberately wanted a color to be. This kind of makes things more natural, and you just kind of let the water and the paint do what it does. But it's really good to as like the beginning of a painting, and then you can go in and define things later.